that when you try to park on somebody else's property. You better ask them first, man. That's all I can tell you. You better ask them about it before you just decide you're gonna park on somebody else's spot. Anyway. Oh there. It's Tow Trucker. We're back again. Welcome to the channel. Non-consensual towing. A little bit of transparency. Anyway, that's a test drive tag. Just left this office right here, and they've got quite a few cars in here they want towed out that don't have any tags on them. They are trying to be lenient because of the the pandemic, but they're still towing. This car here, this van here, looks like a brand new van. It's got a test drive. It's got a test drive tag on it. Whether or not the dealer that sold this car to the guy, or who knows what the situation is on it. But either way, I got to tow it. I don't know who owns it. I don't know what. I don't know anything about the person that owns the car. All the towing we do is it's impartial. We don't you know, we don't treat anybody different because of race, creed, color, religion, whatever you want to call it. We tow cars that are not fixed, and whoever owns the cars owns them. I don't give anybody any special privileges or any partiality about who gets towed. I tow everybody. That's just what I do. We yank cars. Anyway, I guess we need to go ahead and get loaded. Anyway, I've said it before, I'll say it again on my channel. These test drive tags, they don't work. If you run a dealership and you're selling cars, you're too lazy to get your tags in, or you sold too many cars and you don't have any tags left, you need to go down to the DMV and get some more dealer tags, because they don't work. These test drive tags, they get towed. They're not legal to drive. You got to give them a drive out tag with a VIN number on it. Make it legal. That's just how it goes. Hey there, we're back on another one. Car parts on the ground, leaking oil out from under it. Totaled out car. Like we got a total out car here. We're gonna have to tow this one for sure. Gonna have to get towed. That's just how it is. That's what we do. We pull up and tow cars. Hey, I'm at the yard over here, man. We got the police over here. Somebody wrecked that little Jeep. I guess it's a Compass. Somebody wrecked that Jeep Compass and abandoned the car, and then they report it stolen. It's pretty common. And here's one we got in today. We just got this one in. Somebody called this one in. The car mobilization $75 per day. I don't know how these guys get away with that. They charge $75 a day to have a car booted, but somebody called this car in to tow it, so that's what we did. We come over here, went over there and towed it. It really don't make any sense, man, how they can charge so much more money, so much more money for the booting than we do for the towing. It don't make any sense, man. Anyway, it's a racket. That's sure enough racket. This is one we pulled out of an apartment complex. This guy looked like I don't know what he was doing. Looks like the frame right here is wrecked, and the engine is pulled out, the axles. This guy was trying to do an engine swap, or he was trying to strip this car down. I don't know what he was doing, but this is what we wound up with. And it's been marked to go to the auction, so. Anyway, looks like we got another one here. This one's expired tag, man. It looks like somebody's covered the windows up, man. They've been doing something illegal, doing some illegal activity in this vehicle. Property wants this car right here out of here.
From AT&T, they're on the way to pick it up.
I can't leave the vehicle here.
Okay, well, I have a tow truck on the way to pick it up. Yeah, we already paid. I've already paid for it to come and pick the car up.
Yeah.
Because respectfully, this is really not it's not out of date. I ordered them online and they haven't gotten here yet, first of all. Yeah. Second of all, the car is broke down, which is why I'm having to tow to a mechanic shop, but I've already paid for a tow truck. They're on the way right now.
Well, I can't leave it. I mean, I got a tow. I can't leave it here.
I'm pretty sure you can.
I can't. They called me to come get it. We told. And I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be mean.
Okay, well,
but
sir, respectfully, what I'm telling you is I've already paid for a tow truck to come and pick this car up. Yeah. Well, it says to this date, today. That means I have till this date to get it out of here.
It's today.
Yeah, it's today.
It's already 2 days in there.
Yeah.
What it says the 19th. Okay, can I call the office, please? Please, can I call the office? Because,
listen, hey, listen, I understand where you're coming from.
I understand where you're coming from, but what I'm telling you is I've already paid $85 for this car to be picked up.
Well, you call it back. Tell them that you ain't gonna be able to get it towed. You need to get your money back. Cancel the tow. Yeah.
And my vehicle, my Pathfinder, has a sticker on it that's supposed to be towed because it says that I have an out-of-date tag, which I actually don't. But it just hasn't come in the mail. But I have a tow truck that is on the way. They will be here in an hour and a half, within an hour and a half. Already paid $85 for them to come. That's the reason why I'm here right now. And there's a tow truck driver trying to tow my vehicle. And I'm asking him to please not tow my vehicle because respectfully, I just paid $85. That's the reason why I'm here right now, because I'm having it towed. I do, yes sir, yes sir.
The office is not coordinating together. Was the one that told me to tow these vehicles. That's why I'm hooked to it. So if they're not going to coordinate with one another about how this works, then I don't think. Well, yeah. Well, listen, when they call, you can talk to them because they're going to call. They're going to call. You got it. Tow trucker back, man. We're over here starting early, man. We got a Chevrolet Silverado right here. This it's got a 2018 tag on it, man. It was stickered. Stickers it's still on the truck, man. So we're gonna go ahead and load this one up, man. We'll see what happens. This gentleman's got a he's got February 18 tag on this truck. I knew he was I knew somebody was driving this truck because I could see the water bottles in the back, and you see it locked up tidy and everything. Anyway, he's gonna have to pay this out if he don't have if he can't prove that he's got a valid tag. Anyway, we'll see what happens, man. You need to put that sticker on the truck. You wouldn't have to get out of bed, man. You know, hey, let me put it on there for you, man. You sick as a dog. I was sick for 3 weeks, man. I had probably the same thing you got. Ooh. You better go to the doctor, man. You need to go to the doctor. Yeah. You're valid, man. That's. Hey, if you get stickered again, put that in the windshield. We won't tow it. We ain't trying to tow people's cars that got tags. Anyway, hey, have a good one, man. I hope you feel better, man. Too, man. Yeah, sorry about that. Be safe out there. Hey, you too. I'm trying to. But he was very sick. He's still sitting on the curb back there. I think he may have not been out of bed for 3 or 4 days. His car was stickered. Let's see. Yeah, 4 days ago, and he did have a tag, so I did unhook it. I'm not going to tow somebody's car that's got a valid tag, man. That's not how we do this. Anyway, we'll roll to the next one. Got it backed in those bushes where you can't see the tag, but this let me double check those 3 letters. DPR. That's the right car. Got a baseball bat in the front seat of the car. Guess we'll find out whether or not he plays baseball. Anyway, that's the way it goes, man. This is what we do.